if you're trying to link it back to what you're doing today. I think that's the fundamental thing, because more than likely what you're doing today is not the right thing. And if you're trying to focus, and it doesn't mean that you're doing the wrong things. It is just the system has been built in such a way. The focus has really been around let's build actionable insights, and for many organizations that has sort of been the main key driving factor, the reason why they've made a lot of investments. I mean, it's if you can relate to some of the comments I'm about to make. It's almost like that. How do you sort of know that there will be signs, right? And these are some of the signs and the signals that if you've seen or have experienced any of these, more than likely this is just purely because of the focus around actionable insights. And the first one of those is that when new vendors approach your organization, or when there's new tech that's being launched, you get caught up in the hype very quickly, right? Because you as a company, you're facing a lot of challenges, and now there's AI or agentic AI that pops up, and